Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. We're on Church Street and I'm going to go and have a nosy in the Regent, and I'm going to go and see what they've got and have a look, because this is a fascinating 1920s old cinema which has been restored, and it shows classic films on the cinema most Friday nights, and the rest of it from Monday to Friday is an antiques and vintage emporium. And if you've never been in, seriously, if you come into Blackpool, I would strongly suggest that you come and have a nosy, because it's the most fascinating place. The most fascinating place you could possibly imagine. And it's free entry. Perfect for that rainy day. So make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications. Don't forget to sign up for your email newsletter, and we'll go and see what we can see. So there's a nice handy car park across the road. You might even catch a Cinderella carriage going home for his lunch. So if it is raining, you can park at Corn Street, Church Street car park, and then there you go, there's the Regent. It's not a long walk at all up Church Street. It's literally just down there to the Winter Gardens next on your left, so it's not far. It's not far at all. And I'm going to take you in and we're going to go and see what they've got today. So this is a new development since I last came in. It's an automatic door. Ooh. It's a bit odd. It's a bit odd. So you come in and there's all these little cabinets, and this of course is the entrance up into the cinema, which will all become clear as we come in. So there's all loads of different stalls, as you can see by the numbers above the top, and different people kind of take a stall and sell their own stuff. So when you come inside, there's everything. There's curios, gifts, there's clothes. These are old war, like army surplus stuff. There's clothes, there's bags, there's vintage stuff. Oh, I had one of them. And then you start doing that, you see. I had a sweep just like that. In fact, I think I've still got him somewhere. And then you start walking around saying, oh, I had one of them. But, joking apart, it's a brilliant place to find that thing that you really want, that you didn't know where to get one from. So there's coins, records, umbrellas hung up there. Look, they'll be useful on Blackpool weather. I like that junk sign up there on the slant. I think that's my favourite. That's a nice cupboard. That's lovely. So they do house clearance and all that kind of thing. So you can, that's beautiful, I like that. So you can, it's a great big easel there. So you can get somebody to come and look and give you a valuation. If you've got big items of furniture, people will be able to come and collect it from you. And there's literally everything in this place. It's fascinating. You need to allow yourself at least an hour. So there's all different stalls. I'm not going to show you everything because you need to come yourself. Little Queen Victoria-esque dogs. Saying the wrong word altogether, aren't I? I mean, like that, for example, it doesn't look up to much at the minute, but imagine that reupholstered. Oh, and this is what I want. Oh, I had one of them. I had the blue one. Mine with a silver cross, so it was lovely, that pram. There's a table there, look, to go to that cupboard. I want some old-fashioned chairs like this to paint in different colours to put in my kitchen. You know, like when you go in a cafe and they've got mismatched tables and chairs, and they're all painted in different colours in a strip pine tabletop. I've always wanted a strip pine table. I won't want pine today, I think. I think it'd have to be just natural wood. It's just absolutely full of everything. And then it carries on and on and on and on, and it goes upstairs. Furniture. Oh, look at these scales. And just imagine, for example, if you've got a shop and you wanted some stuff to do, some set dressing, I mean, that would look fabulous in a garden centre, wouldn't it? Look at this, for weighing babies only. Oh my word. Chairs, that's where I'm after, look. See, that would be perfect with a new upholstered seat on it. It's just fascinating. Fascinating. So it goes upstairs. I'm going to go upstairs because this is where I can show you the cinema. Antiques, crafts and collectibles. So all the staircase is all full of pictures and things that are all for sale. Open 7 days a week. There you go. Oh, I've just realised. Oh, the curtain's shut. China. Ornaments. Ironstone. We used to have some of that. I think most of it got broke. Ships. Have a ship. Oh, Hummel figures. My dad bought my mum a little Hummel girl when they had me. This is the cafe, which at the moment is closed. So you can have a drink, look, under normal circumstances. And this is the attic, so it's obviously not really suitable for people that are disabled because you need to be able to climb the stairs. And then it carries on. Isn't it me puffing and panting? Oh, there you go, look. Perfect for any fancy dress occasion. Ooh, fancy dress, Mark 2. There's all kinds of stuff up here. Now then, which way around did we go? I think books, CDs. You're getting the drift, aren't you? You're getting the drift that there's a bit of everything. So can you remember the days when you used to come to the cinema and the cinema used to look like this? I'm truly that old that I can remember going to the cinema and the cinema looking like this. So this is what we used to see when we came in our local flicks. And you can come in here on most Friday nights and see all kinds of classic films from over the years. So there's a really good complement of films that they show. Everything from like 1950 Blob right up to the present day, and it's all projected onto the big screen. And this is the antiques area downstairs, and all the seats have all been reupholstered and restored because these were all practically derelict. In fact, the whole thing was practically derelict when they took it over, and it's all been restored and brought back to life, which is good really, because it's preserving a piece of Blackpool's history and a piece of the past and repurposing it for something practical today. And if all that's not enough, they also do auctions. So these are the auction lots, and they are monthly and they're online, so you can buy from anywhere all over the country. I was sat behind him one day when they were doing an auction, and the stuff that they were selling, it were absolutely fascinating. Next one, 29th of February, so you can view all the lots online, and then you can pick and choose which one you want to bid on. And if you're local, you can pick it up. Oh, Lego. Well. If you're local, you can pick it up, and if you're not local, you can have it delivered. So there you go. Obviously delivery is extra. And this is a book corner. Fascinating. Look at that old cupboard, that's lovely. So you can see now why I said you need to allow about an hour. Because there's such a lot to look at and such a lot to see. Old books, Royal Mail stamp album. Look at this. It's empty on that page. Great Britain. So there you go. That's our 2 and 6p look round the Regent, and then you pay here on your way out at the pay desk where it says pay. Right, there you go. Back out the clever automatic door. Onto Church Street. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look around. I'm going to come with the T-boys one day and have a good look round inside and see what we can find. I think we've got plenty of stuff that we could do with putting in the auctions, never mind buying anything. So there you go, that's today's story. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications. Don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.